I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. You may have noticed I've not posted any new videos for quite a while now. Also, you may notice I'm not currently in the TMJ kitchen. Right after I filmed my last video, my dad, who's now 96 years old, had a fall that resulted in a hip fracture. Without going into too much detail, I'll just say that I'm caring for my dad now and for the foreseeable future. With that being said, there's a very nice kitchen here, and we're finally starting to get into some kind of a regular pattern or routine. It's time for me to start doing something for myself and making videos again. Today I'm going to be sharing something that I discovered at a party at my friend Steve's house. While I suppose you could serve this as some type of side dish or accompaniment, my favorite way to enjoy these is just a standalone appetizer. Today we're going to be making sweet heat pickles. Let's get started.
We're going to start out with a 32-ounce jar of whole dill pickles. We're going to drain all the juice out of the pickles, and then we're going to lay the pickles on a cutting board. When we're finished with the pickles, you can either return them back to this jar, or in my case today, I'm going to share the pickles, so I'm going to divide them out into 2-pint jars. I've got some really great screw-on lids that I can use to close the jars. Next, we're going to clean up the pickles a little bit by cutting off any little stems or pieces that we don't want to use. Once we've done that, we're going to place our pickle long ways, cut it in half, and then come back in and start to dice up our pickles. We want them to be in pieces that are probably about this size. Once our pickles are all chopped up, we're going to put them into the jars and add about 1 clove minced garlic to each jar. Next, we're going to add some hot sauce, whatever brand you like. This is a 12.5-ounce jar. I'm going to use a total of about 1/2 of this jar in the pickles. Now I'm going to come in with a 1/4 cup sugar for each jar of pickles. After that, we're going to put our screw top lids on, and then we are going to shake these jars until it looks like everything is all blended up. Next, these jars are going to go into the refrigerator.
Now would be the perfect time to go tap that like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Many of the items you'll see me use or may have seen me used in the past are available through my Amazon storefront. There's a link to that down in the comments.
A few hours later, I'm going to remove these from the refrigerator, and I'm going to add another 1/4 cup sugar to each jar of pickles. This is where personal preference starts to come into play. You can make your pickles as sweet as you like or as hot as you like. Taste them as you go along, and if you want to add more sugar, you can. If you want to add more hot sauce, you can. Just remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it back. Y'all already know I've got a sweet tooth. I like a lot of sweet, but not a lot of heat. You might like yours different. That's the great thing about this recipe. You just keep tweaking and adjusting it until you get it exactly the way you want. Once you think you finally got the right mixture, let them set in the refrigerator for a couple of days and they are good to go.
So chances are you never opened your refrigerator searching for a jar of pickles and seen anything that looks like this. But like any pickle, you're going to remove these from the jar before you serve them. So let me show you what they look like once you've done that. I'll use a slotted spoon to remove these pickles from the jar. So once they're served up, they look like this. Let's give them a try. The first thing you're gonna taste is sweet, immediately followed by the heat. These pickles need to be crunchy, so make sure you use a good whole pickle to start with and keep them nice and cold until you're ready to serve. One thing's for sure, you're gonna love the way these taste. And if you put a dish of these out for a party, I guarantee everybody's gonna be talking about them. I'm gonna do my best to be back again with you real soon. In the meantime, please check out my catalog of videos, see if there might be something on my channel you haven't seen before or you might wanna see again. Until then, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.